Want to know how to optimize your friend list for maximum rewards in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle? So in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle, your friend isn't just social. They can also give huge benefits to you and your account. So you need to add friends with strong leader skills that match your main team. So once that is done, you should be able to optimize. So make sure you swap out inactive friends regularly to maximize rewards during events and story missions. So during Dokkan events, pick friends with type advantage to easily clear tough stages. So managing your friend list smartly ensures you get the best support and daily bonuses every single time. And this is how you easily optimize your friend list Dokkan Battle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.